Asteroid Nut in astrology, the sky goddess in Egyptian mythology.
Book an asteroid astrology reading to see how the asteroids shape your life.
She is the one who literally covers the earth with her body, and that's what makes up basically our sky, full of stars. She was literally blue, depicted as blue with stars within her. And what does Nut represent in your birth chart? So, asteroid Nut in your birth chart can show where you either have your connection to the knowledge and the wisdom of the earthly mother, but it also relates to basically the structure of this sort of simulation within this realm that we're in, because the stars and the cosmos are all connected to our lives, so ingrained within us and without, that when we understand and connect to our asteroid Nut, it shows us where we are basically trying to connect to the allness of being one with each other. So it's like this ultimate wisdom of connection, and also the protection that she offers, because she literally is like the dome covering the earth. And so she's the protector of the planet. She's using her own body, which is like that motherly, nurturing energy. But where we see asteroid Nut, it also shows us like the past, the present, and the future, and how they're all coalescing at once. How time isn't linear. So that cosmic knowledge, this spiritual connection to the inner self, that helps us realize that we all have this like magical goddess energy within us that we're trying to connect to, because we are made of stars. So that's one representation of the archetype of Nut, but it is a very deep mythology with the sky goddess of Egyptian times, because the way they studied astrology and everything is just it goes so deep. So where is asteroid Nut for you? I'd be curious if you're someone who likes to try and understand this energetic matrix that we're in. Are you someone who's really interested in how the past, the present, and the future all tie into each other? And then are you also someone who is interested in how our actions are connected to reactions, and how we can change our own responses based on our own willpower, or if we're letting the energetic signatures of the stars kind of rule us or not. So it's kind of also connected to standing in our own sovereignty as humans. The stars do not control us. They do not dictate who we are and what we do. We do that. The stars are just the coding that go into like expressing and showing us what we're made out of, what our potential is, and where we've come from just so many different realms. So yes, where is asteroid Nut in your chart? Maybe I can tell you more about it. And if you're interested in this kind of stuff, you can follow along for more. And I offer asteroid astrology readings.
Book an asteroid astrology reading to see how the asteroids shape your life.